So in today's video, I want to attempt to make a withdrawal of my profits out of eEstate to my PayPal. So we're going to use PayPal as an example. I did a video where I show you how to fund your account using PayPal, but now I want to show you how to withdraw. Okay. First things first, you have to go into your account, your eEstate account, into the settings, and you're going to go over here where it says payment methods. And the first thing you want to do, you want to put your wallet here. Okay. So how do you get your PayPal wallet? I was fumbling around with this while I was in my car, and I said, let me see if I can do this. So this is my first time. So I'm going to go to crypto. And what I want to do, I want to receive. Okay. So I'm going to hit receive. I'm going to click on this. Now, this is about receiving crypto. So make sure that you read this information that only PayPal USD should be sent to this address. Okay. Receiving crypto from an external wallet, receiving crypto from another PayPal or Venmo wallet isn't available yet. So this is only can be used for PayPal. Okay. Filing your taxes. So receiving crypto will be considered income for goods and services. You'll get a 1099 form, which I'm pretty much okay with that. Okay. Now, over here, we want to use the ERC20. Okay. So over here, all I see is ERC20 that we could put over here, the address. So I'm going to go on Ethereum because from my last video, that's what I got. Okay. All right. So I'm going to cover up my address, but you're going to copy your address and you're going to put that over here in the e-estate right here where it says that. Okay. So just check it, make sure that it's correct. So this is going to be the address that you're going to use when we are making a withdrawal, and I'm going to hit save. Now it's prompting me to put in an email verification code, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now my wallet address has been successfully added to my account. Okay. So I'm going to attempt this. I'm going to do a small amount. Now, if you wanted to withdraw from your profit balance, the first thing you will have to do is go to view asset and you'll go to transfer, and then you can transfer all, put in your PIN, and it will transfer to your e-wallet. I'm not going to do that. I already have money in my wallet, so I'm not going to make that extra step. I'm just going to open my e-wallet here and I'm going to make a withdrawal. Okay. My wallet is already here, so I'm going to withdraw, let's say $10. Okay. So I'm going to withdraw $10. Well, the minimum is going to let me do is 20. Okay. So I'm going to withdraw 20. It's going to be sent to my PayPal wallet. Okay. So down here, don't forget your PIN. If you don't know where your PIN is, just go in your email and search. I know what my PIN is. So I'm going to go ahead and add my PIN and then we're going to confirm. Okay, so it says that my withdrawal request has been successfully sent and will be processed shortly. Okay, so I will be back to let you know when the funds have been added to my account. All right, so it looks like my money was received. I received $19.80. So between the withdrawal from eEstate to my PayPal wallet, which is here, it's about 20 cents difference. So it's about 20 cents. All right, so now what we want to do, we want to sell it. Okay, so we want to sell this into PayPal USD. Okay, and we're going to hit sell it, and we're going to sell all. So we want to sell this into cash basically. Okay, so I'm going to sell now. It should go back into my wallet. Okay, so I received 1980 into my balance. I'm going to go home. So it looks like 334. Yeah, I think that's it because I can't remember what my balance was before, but I'm going to check my history here. It should be right down here. So right here. So it was sold to me. So 1980. Okay. So I received my money here in my PayPal account. Now, if you want to take it over to your, your bank account, you want to make sure that your bank account is connected to your PayPal, and I can just transfer it to my bank account. I would do that. However, I don't want to do that anyway. I'm going to transfer this back into e-estate anyway. So I wanted to show that quick video. I hope that this was helpful. Just another quick way for you to withdraw your funds. And yes, you can withdraw your funds at any time that you desire. Okay. Have a great one, and we'll chat with you soon. Bye for now.